Hi everyone, my name is Sergio. In today's video I'm going to show you the way I'm going to SIM unlock an iPhone 12 Pro Max from Verizon. It is locked to Verizon. If you have this problem, this video might help you. Just gonna make a test call real quick to the active line.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
Para español, oprime la estrella.
Verizon Wireless, and we are going to try to do AT&T. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to insert the AT&T by itself. Verizon 5G. I'm going to do regular AT&T plan. So I'm just going to insert a regular AT&T SIM card by itself, and it's going to send me to the activation code, activation screen. Do the steps, and I already verified this iPhone. It is an iPhone 12 Pro Max with a clean IMEI number, so I shouldn't have any problems. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. I'm waiting for the activation. And remember, this is a Verizon 5G connecting, trying to do a SIM unlock to AT&T. Today I'm gonna be using the new Nano SIM unlock chip smart card. This is it's a regular Nano SIM card. It fits your iPhone 6s all the way to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this code is going to be done by code, okay? So let me show you what I mean by that by code. So this phone, unfortunately, we couldn't do anything with our AT&T plan due to this phone is locked to Verizon only. So I'm going to take this out. Take it out, and I'm going to insert my smart card. Like I said, it looks like a regular Nano SIM card, but this is a smart card. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my SIM tray. Put it on the side over here. So I'm gonna show you. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max running on iOS 13.3. It's very important for you to update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order for the SIM card or any RSIM works. Okay, so please, before you do anything, make sure you have iOS 13.3 or newer. Okay, so right now I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and 14.3, and it is SIM locked. So that means this one only can work with Verizon network over any Verizon active plan. So if we click on the SIM, what it says SIM lock, it says we give you the whole spiel. This device might be restricted, blah 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 blah. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay. So with that being said, I'm just gonna set it over here. I'm gonna grab my smart card, and this already comes programmed with the latest code for the phone to be activated. Okay, So just looks like a regular SIM card. It's white, no logos, no anything. It looks like a regular SIM card. Okay, so what I'm going to do, put it on my SIM tray. I'm gonna grab my phone, and then I'm gonna insert it, just like that. It's gonna take us to the activation screen. I'm gonna lock the phone. I'm gonna continue. I'm going to let it do whatever the phone needs to do by itself. I don't have to do anything. There's no more menus to configure any ICC ID number. Like I said, this is gonna be done. Everything's gonna be done for you. So activation lock, as you know, put your email, password. I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna choose use device passcode. I'm gonna use the device passcode. And I'm sorry, I'm using a little grubby pen. For some reason, my gloves doesn't want to work with the screen. So I put the passcode. So it takes me back to the screen. If I go to settings, go to settings, general or cellular, and there is a menu. Not menu, but that's the option. This is the option that you have to put new codes. If you want to change it later on, or if it's gonna be a new, code that has to be on. You can come in here and do it. Okay, so it shows SIM application, and as you can see, carrier lab. So we're gonna choose SIM application, and it's gonna give us a description of the smart card. R13 Smart Unlock. This is where you're gonna update or put the code. Okay. In my case, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to put a new code due to the smart card already unlocked the phone. So I'm gonna hit back, cellular. Now we go back to settings, and we can take this out. Let me show you. Let's go about, and it's showing iPhone Pro Max 13.3, and it's no SIM restrictions anymore. So I don't have no restrictions. I can put any SIM card now. This is the good thing about the smart card. It doesn't have to be in all the time like the other RSIMs. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out, put them on the side. Only because you already unlocked your phone, it doesn't mean this is gonna become handy later on. If for some reason something happened, you have to wipe out your phone brand new, you might lose the unlock. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're gonna keep the semi-factor unlock on your phone, make sure you never reset or do a master reset on the phone. That means you're never gonna wipe it out unless you have to wipe everything out and start fresh. That's when this comes handy. You can come and put it in and unlock your phone once again. If something happened, that code that wasn't working anymore, you can reach out to me and I can send you a new code. But it's only if you try to do the SIM card. I don't know if it's gonna work on other phones. I don't know, and you can mess this lock. You can mess it. I don't know, to be honest with you. But don't throw this away. Keep it with you, handy, just in case you have to wipe out your phone. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my AT&T by itself. Put it in. Please, phone is active. Dismiss. And I should be getting service. Getting service AT&T now. Let me take out the Wi-Fi. AT&T LTE. use the data roaming. And unfortunately, AT&T doesn't have a 5G yet here in my area. I'm in San Antonio, so I had to be 4G LTE. But that's not bad. So let's do a test card real quick.
Welcome to AT&T.
There you go. Let's do a speed test and see how this thing is gonna. So AT&T is giving me 9 to 10 megabytes per second. Download 6, 7, maybe 8. 8. And it's giving me 9 upload, 10 upload. So it's not bad. I got it off before. So it's working, guys. The smart card is working. I'm gonna drop the descriptions where you can get it. eBay store or Amazon store. Not a store, but eBay or Amazon. You can get this the smart SIM. Like I said, already comes programmed for you guys, so you should plug it in, follow the steps. No more menus, no more numbers you need to put in. Just put it in, unlock it, take it out, put them in a safe place. Put your any SIM card that you want to use. On my area in San Antonio, I've been trying to use Family Talk and Straight Talk, but unfortunately those two networks is still in CDMA, so it's a big no-no. I've been using H2O, Simple Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Hello Mobile, Spectrum Mobile. Other than that, I haven't tested any other networks. So I hope you like this video. Give me a shout out, send me an email, like it, share it. Hope you like it. And like I said, this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, semi-factory unlock from Verizon to AT&T. Keep that in mind. When I said semi-factory unlock, that means that you cannot wipe out your phone and make a new, or if you're gonna do a new update, please do it wireless via Wi-Fi. Do not connect it to iTunes, or you will lose your unlock as well. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, well, have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Be safe out there with the Rona.